The first time we approached Assumption to send our daughter here, nung grade school po yung anak namin, mag-grade 1. So, nag-apply po kami dito but hindi po natanggap. So, I was so frustrated. My wife also frustrated kami kasi gustong-gusto namin eh. For what reason? I have some colleagues in the office, friends who are really very successful. You know, the way they present themselves, the demeanor, yung attitude, you can see the Assumption education nararadiate ng tao. Having said that, sabi ko, sige, kung di tayo pumasa ng grade school, sabi ko, some other time darating din yan. So, nung nag-college na po yung anak namin, we had 3 daughters, no? So, lahat po dito graduate. Yung first daughter po namin, si Dayan, when she started, she's not doing good. Pero nung ka-second year na po, she started really focusing sa pag-aaral niya. Right now po, we're so proud of her kasi ngayon po nasa UK siya. She was able to get a full scholarship from the UK government, no? So lahat po nakikita ko, I can attribute yung natutunan niya sa Assumption. Yung pangalawa na naman po, right after graduation po, nung nagtitraining pa lang siya, we'll get you right after graduation. And true na po hanggang ngayon, nandun po siya sa British School as a teacher. Tapos yung bunso naman po namin, very active po, no? Lahat po ng sa event para sa school, pag mayroon parang open house, she's hosting po. And yung tama po sinasabi, the confidence that they gained from Assumption education is really par excellence, I can say. What impresses me most, yung pong yung they stand for the truth. Yung relevance po, napaka-importante, especially for current events. They always fight for yung women empowerment. Kaya ako talagang hindi po kami nagkamali na ipursu na pag-aralin po yung aming mga anak dito. Maraming salamat po.